Good YouTube. Sorry I didn't do an intro for this video. My bad. I got the car running today and got prepped and everything and was itching to go drive the car. So as soon as I got to a location that I felt comfortable driving and getting everything set up, I started going at it. So there's gonna be some videos, some short videos, not gonna be very long, of my car. Like I said, I'm learning, I'm new. Still got quite a bit to learn, but today I had 4 good passes. Car's not fast, but it went A to B. Like I said, I gotta learn prep. I don't know if my prep is consistent enough, if I'm consistent, if I have enough, too much, too little, too much heat, too little heat. There's all kinds of stuff I gotta learn still. Gonna go back driving tomorrow. I'm gonna see if anyone local Bakersfield wants to go out testing their cars tomorrow and see if they can teach me a little bit. But if not, I'm going out regardless. Try some different stuff and then try some different stuff in the tune. But yeah, all in all, can't complain too much. Like I said, I'm new, I'm learning, so it is what it is. Alright guys, do me a favor, please like, subscribe. It helps me, it'll help you. Tell me what you guys want to see, what you want to learn with me. For you new guys that are looking to get into the hobby, anybody can do it. I went a little all out and bought a more modified car than I probably should have, but you know, we're doing it. Alright guys, catch you later.